In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate presentations, docs, and images with Canva AI prompts. So first, of course, head over to Canva AI. Then here, click on this text box. Next is choose what you want to do. So for presentation, select design, then presentation, and type in your prompt. And for docs, select doc. And for images, of course, select image. Then next, start typing your prompt like this. Create a 5-slide business presentation about social media marketing. So this is the type of prompt you can use for presentation. And for images, this is the type of prompt that you can use. A minimalist logo with blue tones and a text style or a realistic sunset over mountains. Once done typing your prompt, and choosing your settings in this toolbar, click on the Submit button. Then just let Canva AI generate your content. Next is review the results and pick the version you like best. If you want, you can always refine the prompts. You can ask Canva AI to shorten text, change tone, or adjust visuals until it fits your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!